Namaskaram and welcome to the ninth session of the Trimurti Shaktivandana series. The last two sessions we looked at two of the Devi compositions of Dikshitar. Today, the concluding session of the 3-day series on Devi compositions of Dikshitar. Today we take up one of the Abhayamba Vibhakti Kritis of Dikshitar. Goddess Abhayamba or Abhayambika, she is the consort of Mayuranathar of Mayuram, Mayavaram, Mayiladurai. Lord Shiva is there as Mayuranathar, and the goddess there is goddess Abhayamba or Abhayambika. There's a very interesting story behind the term Mayiladurai or Mayuram. Very, you can very much guess. Mayil Adudurai, Mayuram, Mayavaram. So the Mayura, the Mayil, all indicating the peacock. So there is some connection of the peacock with this place and this Thala Purana. So it says, the Puranic story says that when Sati, she jumped into the fire, self-immolating herself, unable to hear the insult of Shiva from the mouth of Daksha, a peahen was also there in that surroundings, which also got hurt because of the yuddha that happened between Veerabhadra and the different hordes of the different parivaras of Daksha, the armies of Daksha, on that Yajnashala. So because the Divine Mother, when she was self-immolating herself and she was seeing around and she saw this peahen which was innocent and was getting hurt in amidst this entire fight, in that thought of the peahen itself, she gave up her body. So it seems she took birth as peahen and the Lord came as a peacock to accept her. That is why Mayuram, Tirumayiladurai, all these names are applicable there. Because the Divine Mother gave Abhaya to this peahen and she took the form of a peahen in her next birth and she became one with Shiva, she's called as Abhayamba or Abhayambika. The place also came to be called in Tamil Tirumayil Adudurai, where the Lord and the Mother, they danced in the form of the peacock and the peahen. They danced the joy of ecstasy, the dance of happiness as the peacock and the peahen. So on this deity here, on Abhayambika, Dikshitar has composed the Vibhakti Kritis. He has composed 10 Kritis, introduction Kriti, the 8 Vibhakti Kritis, and a Mangala Kriti. So this that we are going to see today, Girijaya Ajaya. So this is the third Vibhakti Kriti in the Tritiya Vibhakti, that is the instrumental case. So let's see this Kriti first. Girijaya Ajaya Abhayambikaya Girisha Jayaya Rakshitoham. I am being protected by, because it's instrumental case, being protected by Girija, the daughter of Giri, the daughter of the mountain. Ajaya, the one who has no birth. Ajaya, there is no birth to her. Abhayambikaya, goddess Abhayambika. Girisha Jayaya, the one who is the consort of Girisha, Rakshito. So first Girijaya and then Girisha Jayaya. See the beautiful play of words. Girijaya, Girisha Jayaya. So one place it refers to the daughter of the mountain and the other place it refers to the consort of the Lord of the mountains, Girisha, one who is Lord of all mountains, that is Shiva. So his consort, Jayaya, so Parvati. Hari Hayadi Devata Radhitaya Atmaswarupa Prabodhitaya. One who is worshipped by all the Devatas, all the Devas. Atmaswarupa Prabodhitaya, the one who ensures self-realization in their devotees. Prabodhitaya. She enlightens the devotees, enlightens her devotees. Atmaswarupam, of knowing their true form. Harihara Guru Guha Sammoditaya, the one who is acknowledged and praised by Harihara and Guru Guha. Adi Kshanta Varna Veditaya. Beautiful word. Adi Kshanta. Adi. From A to Ksha. A, I, I. All those Yara, Lava, Ksha. Up till Ksha. That means the entire Akshara. Entire world of alphabets. Alphabets indicates words. Words indicates everything that is communication. All kinds of communication. All kinds of words. They are formed from these alphabets. So this entire Adikshanta Varna Veditaya, the one who is praised by all these, through the one who is known through all these words. That means who is the end result of all this, of all kinds of worldly knowledge. The goal, the objective is her. Samaya Vishesha Niryana. Now the Charanam is a long compounded word because it ends only in Samrajya Prada Aruna Charanaya Girijaya. Samrajya Prada Aruna Charanaya Girijaya Ajaya. Up till Samrajya Prada Aruna Charanaya, it's all adjectives which are qualifying the Divine Mother. Samaya Vishesha Niryana Mukha Bija Nirbija Diksha Vishayakarana Samayacharana Upayoga Puja Samagri Sangraha Antakarana Samaya Mata Pratipadya Anusarana Samanya Vishesha Prajacharana Mamatva Nirakarana Kriyayuta Sadbhaktanam Dharmartha Rupa Samatva Vritti Vitarana Nipunatara Samrajya Prada Aruna Charanaya. Her feet is what is being described. Reddish feet, Aruna Charanadaya. Aruna Charanaya. That feet can do what all? Samrajya Prada. It can give you wealth, prosperity, material wealth. It can also give you Samatva Vritti Vitarana Nipunatara. It can give you Samatvam. It can give you that equanimity which is needed for spiritual development. Sadbhaktanam Dharmartha Rupa Samatvam. To whom? Sadbhaktanam. To people who are Sadbhaktas, who are on the path of Dharma. That feet can give you Dharma, Artha. It can give you both material benefit as well as spiritual benefit. Mamatva Nirakarana Kriyayuta. But these Sadbhaktas, what is their quality of the Sadbhaktas? Mamatva Nirakarana. They have no Mamatva. Mamakara, Ahamkara is completely gone. Only to these kind of devotees can be called Bhaktas and Sadbhaktas. To these Sadbhaktas is whom the Divine Mother graces. Samanya Vishesha Prajacharana. The Praja Acharana, the common world, you find the Samanya and the Vishesha. You find specific people and you find people who are doing different kinds of Acharanas. Among all these Mamatva Nirakarana people are special. To them, the Divine Mother graces. Samaya Vishesha Niryana Mukha Bija Nirbija Diksha. She can give different kinds of Diksha. Mukha Bija Nirbija. Without any Aksharas and with Aksharas. Mauna Diksha also can be given to different kinds of people, different kinds of devotees with different grades on the spiritual ladder. Samayacharana Upayoga Puja Samagri Sangraha Antakarana Samayamata Pratipadya Anusarana. So these are all, the Sadbhaktas are people who are following the different rites and rituals and traditions. Samayamata Pratipadya Anusarana. They are following all those, as well as they are following the Samanya Vishesha Prajacharana. And this Samayamata Pratipadya, whatever is the rites and rituals, they are doing how? Samayacharana, Upayoga, Puja, Samagri, Sangraha, Antakarana. They are doing different kinds of pujas with the different kinds of samagris as prescribed, and also keeping their Antakarana very clean and pure and performing these pujas. And these people are people who have taken the Nirbija Diksha or Mukhabija Diksha. So they are all people who have been initiated into this process. They have all taken Dikshas from great Gurus and great Mahatmas. Samaya Vishesha Niryana Mukha Bija Nirbija Diksha Vishayakarana Samayacharana. So this entire thing is speaking about the qualities that the Bhakta has. Such a Bhakta who is following all the rites and rituals and traditions as prescribed, doing the different pujas with a pure and a clean heart as prescribed, who has taken the Diksha, who is initiated into that entire process. of doing the puja who has got no mamatvam, no mamakara, no ahankara. For such a bhakta, sadbhakta, his dharma, artha, everything is taken care of by the mother. And she provides, she gives him whatever is needed in the material world as well as in the spiritual development. Beautiful. Again, from a lyrically, it's a supreme composition. And this is in Raga Shankara Bharanam, because the goddess is the Abharanam. She is the ornament of Shankara. She belongs to Shankara. Shankara Bharanam in the Ragam. Dikshitar composes this Tritiya Vibhakti Kriti on goddess Abhayambika. Let us now listen to this Kriti by Vidushi Srimati Aruna Ranganathan.
Giri Jaya Jaya Abhayambikaya, 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 Giri Shaya Jaya Rakshito, Giri Jaya Jaya Abhayambikaya, Giri Shaya Jaya Rakshito, Giri Jaya Jaya. Hari Gayadi Devata Radhaya, 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 Atma Swarupa Pramoditaya, Hari Gayadi Devata Radhaya, Atma Swarupa Pramoditaya, Hari Hara Guru Samoditaya, Hari Hara Guru Samoditaya, Adikshanti Varna Veditaya, Hari Hara Guru Samoditaya, Adikshanti Varna Veditaya, Giri Jaya Jaya Abhayambikaya, Giri Shaya Jaya Rakshito, Giri Jaya Jaya. Samaya Visesha Niryana Mukha Bija, Nirbija Diksha Vishaya Karana, Samaya Visesha Niryana Mukha Bija, Nirbija Diksha Vishaya Karana, Samaya Visesha Niryana Mukha Bija, Nirbija Diksha Vishaya Karana, Samaya Charanopa Yoga Puja, Samagri Sangrahanta Karana, Samaya Charanopayoga Puja, Samagri Sangrahanta Karana, Samayavata Pratipadyano Sarana, सामान्य विशेष प्रजाचरण ममत्वनिवाकरण क्रियायुत सद्भक्तनुधर्मार्थरूप ममत्वनिवाकरण क्रियायुत सद्भक्तनुधर्मार्थरूप समत्ववृत्ति वितरण निपुणतर साम्राज्य प्रदारुण शरणया गिरि जय जय अभय विकया गिरीशय जय रक्षितो गिरि जय जय
What a beautiful Shankarabharanam and what a beautiful Kriti by Dikshitar. With this, we conclude the 9-day series on the Trimurti Shakti Vandana, the Sangeeta Archana part of the Trimurti Shakti Vandana. We conclude here today. Tomorrow, we shall be having a Natyarchana on the Devi compositions of the Trinity. So please do join in for the Natyarchana and please share with the same with the interested people. I hope all of you enjoyed this 9-day journey through the Devi compositions of the Mummurtigal. Please do come back for these further ongoing sessions, the upcoming sessions on Subhu's Corner. Until we meet next, Namaskara.